we are on 13th Avenue and 44th Street by the famous Marcy Clothing. Let's check in. What's up, Ari?
Hi, Chaim. Thank you so much for stopping by the Marcy's Brooklyn location, where I have over here for you.
You said you have a chiddush something? Let me hear what the chiddush is.
We have a chiddush. You see over here, we have our world famous Bollini hats. Till now, we've had them in our Lakewood location. Due to popular demand, we're moving them now to our Brooklyn location, where we have amazing prices.
So you're saying the Brooklyn Oilem from Nova Minsk, from Vayal, all the Brooklyn yeshivas didn't have to schlep out to Lakewood.
No longer have to schlep out to Lakewood, no longer have to deal with any traffic, no longer have to deal with any tolls. They just got right here. You just go right over here to our location, 4409 13th Avenue.
Great. So let me see the hats, the famous Bollini hats.
So here we got some famous Bollini hats. First thing I'm gonna start with you is what we call the Rolls Royce of hats. We got the 100% beaver.
Wow,
100%
really?
beaver.
100% beaver?
100% beaver.
Wow, so what does that do? Let me hear the cheshivas of that.
The cheshivas of this hat is no matter what you do, Chaim, you could do anything with this hat. You could dance in the rain with this hat. You could fold it. You could just fold it. Look at this, like I'm doing right now. You could fold this hat.
No way.
You could just fold this hat.
This is crazy.
Put it in my pocket if you really want it on the go. No need for a hat box.
And what's gonna happen then now?
Now you take it out. You know, whenever you need to go, wherever you're going, whether you're going
it goes right back to its original?
It goes right back to its original shape.
This is
Look at this, Chaim. Look at this.
Putting
it right back. It's going right back to its original shape. We're gonna put it right here. And look how beautiful this hat looks.
Gorgeous.
We got all brim sizes starting from 1 7/8 and up. So whatever like brim size you're looking for.
Look at this. This is probably like 2 inches.
This is about 2.25. This is the medium. It's not the most spitz, but we got plenty of 1 7/8.
How does it work? The smaller, the more spitz it is?
That's what they say. Nowadays, in the style, maybe I'm just not a stylish guy, but I'm saying they got from 1 7/8 all the way up to 3.25.
Have any size brim, from spitz to non-spitz. They got you over here covered.
We got you covered over here. Low price of $395. I'm telling you, Chaim, you're not going to get a better price on a beaver hat.
$399 on 100%. $395.
$395 for 100% beaver hat. I'm telling you, Chaim, you're not going to get a better price for that.
What hats do you have here?
So I'll tell you what, Chaim, besides for that, we have some weekday hats, also gorgeous weekday hats for what you need for $220, all-time low price. You got it over here.
Buckner from Flatbush.
Buckner from Flatbush.
Amazing, $220 for a nice weekday hat.
$220. I know it sounds unbelievable. I didn't believe it myself, but here we are. It's $220, all-time low price.
Okay, and what's you have another hat?
That we got over here. We got all the Shabbos hats over here, $280.
Beautiful, guys.
Look at this. Beautiful
Bollini $280 hat.
Bollini $280 hats.
On 13th Avenue, guys. Again, no need to schlep out all the way to Lakewood.
Once again, no need to schlep out. No need to deal with anything with regard to getting to Lakewood. No need to check Waze for the best things. You just come right here, 4409 13th Avenue.
And you get the 13th Avenue experience as well.
Yeah, of course, you got the 13th Avenue experience as well.
Wherever we go, we do a Perlowitz promotion. What is the Perlowitz promotion here today?
So I'll tell you what, Chaim, Perlowitz promotion is whoever comes in to get a hat over here receives a free state-of-the-art hat box.
Look at that hat box.
Look at that.
Gorgeous Bollini hat box.
Bring it on planes. You can just bring it on travel, bring it on the go, whatever you need.
Look at that gorgeous hat box. Put it under the suitcase like that. It comes with a nice handle place to put in the suitcase.
Put it in a suitcase.
Beautiful. Have it. Come on over here. Mention Perlowitz when you buy a hat and get a free Bollini hat box.
Mention Perlowitz. Free. State-of-the-art hat box over here. I'm telling you, you're not going to get a better hat box than that.
The Rolls Royce of hat boxes.
The Rolls Royce of hats meets the Rolls Royce of hat boxes, Chavra.
Ari, what's the phone number?
So the phone number you can reach Chaim is we have excellent customer service. You can reach us at 718-854-3977. This is our Brooklyn location.
I love it.
Excellent customer service.
I mean, it's a big store also. Geschmack.
Beautiful. We have everything. We have everything over here.
So somebody can come and buy shoes, suits, pens.
Anything you need. We got coats. We got some excellent winter coats. Anything you need, any season.
Ties.
We have some gorgeous ties. Anything you need, any season, we got you covered. You have the VIP Marcy's experience.
Wow.
Chaim, we also have over here, we have some designer ties. We have some Shirtelli suits. We have some Shirtelli 1881.
Nice.
You can look over here. We got state-of-the-art, brand new in season over here. We got some Valentino shoes.
Beautiful.
Hand stitched from Italy over here.
And the best is the service over the alterations. Yeah, Mr. Stern was in this for years.
Alterations, we got Mr. Stern's been in the business for years. We have Mr. Stern, we have just all our salesmen over here. We have all our salesmen. They're here to help out whatever you may need. And as you can see also, we have the famous Xenia suits over here. We have some designer Xenia suits. We have Sharuti 1881s. We just got everything you may need. We have some single-breasted, we have some double-breasted, whatever you're feeling.
For the Hasidim also, they have the double-breasted suits.
For the Hasidim, we have some double-breasted suits as well. Anything.
The pants for Hasidim, I heard, is the top place.
It's the top place.
A lot of my Hasidic friends come at it to get pants.
This is the best pants over here. Yeah, we have some amazing, whether you want wool, whether you want washable, whether you want stretch, we have the best pants in the game.
All right, guys. I'm here for about 15 minutes now, and I don't even feel like I'm 13th Avenue. Like, you got all the craziness going on outside, and you come into this Marcy, and you just feel like you're in a different world.
It's literally crazy, literally crazy. I mean, among all the hubble of 13th Avenue over here, you just come in and you're like your own little oasis of VIP. That's it.
Little oasis of VIP. Marcy's Clothing, get your beautiful Bollini hat, and enjoy the experience. Thank you, Ari.
Of course, my pleasure. Thank you, Chaim.
Chag kosher v'sameach.
Chag kosher v'sameach to all.